this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Facebook pixel, also known as the meta pixel, to your Godaddy website. This tool is essential if you want to track visitors, improve ad targeting, and optimize your marketing strategies. Let's jump right in. First, open up your browser and head over to the Godaddy website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see sections for domains, websites, hosting, and marketing tools. From here, click on Products. This will bring you to a dashboard with all of your domains and websites. Find the website you want to add the Facebook pixel to and click on it. This takes you to that site's management page. Next, look for the option that says Edit Website. Click it, and you'll be taken into the Godaddy website builder, where you can make changes and add features. Inside the editor, locate the Settings tab. This section controls many of your site's integrations and tools. Within Settings, look for the option labeled Meta Pixel. The Meta Pixel is what Facebook uses to track and collect data from your site. When you click on it, you'll either need to connect your Facebook account or enter your unique pixel ID. You can find this pixel ID inside your Facebook Ads Manager. Once you paste in your pixel ID and save your changes, the connection will be live. At this point, your Facebook pixel should be successfully integrated into your Godaddy site. It's a good idea to double check that the pixel is working. You can do this using Facebook's Pixel Helper Chrome extension or by testing it directly in Ads Manager. And that's it. You've now set up the Facebook pixel on your Godaddy website.